Good morning. I'm WSN. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about transport layer attacks and application layer attacks and its solution in wireless sensor network. In detail, we are going to discuss about flooding attack, desynchronization attack, attacks by sending large amount of stimuli, network programming attack, path-based DOS. Transport layer attacks in wireless sensor network. The attacks that can be launched on the transport layer in a wireless sensor network are flooding attack and desynchronization attack. Before going to discuss about the transport layer attacks in wireless sensor network, let us start discussing about the transport layer. The transport layer controls the reliability of a given link through flow control, segmentation and de-segmentation, and error control. Some protocols are state and connection oriented. This means that the transport layer keeps track of the segments and retransmit those that fail. Flooding attack. Whenever a protocol is required to maintain state at either end of a connection, it becomes vulnerable to memory exhaustion through flooding. An attacker may repeatedly make new connection requests until the resources required by each connection are exhausted or reach a maximum limit. In either case, further legitimate requests will be ignored. Desynchronization attack. Desynchronization refers to the disruption of an existing connection. An attacker may, for example, repeatedly spoof messages to an end host, causing the host to request the retransmission of missed frames. If timed correctly, an attacker may degrade or even prevent the ability of the end host to successfully exchange data, causing them instead to waste energy attempting to recover them from errors which never really exist. Solutions for the transport layer attacks. Transport layer denial of service attacks like flooding and desynchronization can be prevented by using client puzzles and authentication schemes. Application layer attacks in wireless sensor network. Application layer is responsible for specifying how the data are requested and provided for both individual sensor nodes and interactions with the end user. Application layer attacks are attacks by sending large amount of stimuli, network programming attack, path-based DOS. Attacks by sending large amount of stimuli. In this attack, applications are controlled by stimuli. That is, send alert for motion detection causes large amounts of network traffic. Network programming attack. In this attack, the nodes can be reprogrammed in the field and the attacker attack by sending false program. Path-based denial of service. In this attack, the attacker forwards packets all the way to the base station and it uses network bandwidth and node energy. Solutions for the application layer attacks. Periodic monitoring of the sensor nodes is carried out majorly to tackle the application layer attacks. Thank you very much for listening this lecture. If you like this lecture means kindly share this video to your friends. For further updates, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.